Hello everyone, welcome to Dream Decor. Today in this video I share with you some grandma style vintage home decoration ideas. Let's see the video. Grandma style vintage home decor is a cozy, nostalgic aesthetic that blends vintage charm with a homey, lived-in feel. It draws inspiration from traditional homes filled with sentimental decor, antique furnishings, and soft floral elements. Think of it as a mix of English cottage, shabby chic, and farmhouse style, infused with a personal touch that feels warm and inviting. Key elements of grandma style vintage decor: floral patterns and soft fabrics, cinch, lace, and embroidered textiles on curtains, cushions, and upholstery. Vintage furniture: ornate wooden dressers, rocking chairs, and floral upholstered sofas. Decorative china and glassware display in hutches or one open shelves, often featuring delicate floral designs. Antique accessories: framed needlepoint, porcelain figurines, and vintage clocks. Wallpaper and pastel colors: soft hues like blush pink, mint green, and powder blue, often paired with floral or damask wallpaper. Lamps and soft lighting: Tiffany style lamps, table lamps with fabric shades, and warm ambient lighting. Books and collectibles: stacks of old books, vintage postcards, and trinkets that add personality. Rustic kitchen elements: open shelves with mason jars, enamelware, and floral tea sets. Use vintage or antique inspired wallpaper. Opt for floral, tile, or damask paint in soft pastel tones. A single accent wall with vintage wallpaper can instantly create a nostalgic feel. Incorporate handcrafted and heirloom pieces. Display handmade crochet doilies, embroidered table runners, and patchwork quilts. Look for vintage lace curtains or repurposed old linens for a truly aesthetic touch. Collect and display china and glassware. Mix and match floral teacups, delicate porcelain plates, and depression glass. Use a china cabinet or open shelving to showcase your collection. Bring in vintage and repurposed furniture. Rocking chairs, clubfoot tables, and roll-top desks add a nostalgic touch. Distressed or painted furniture in soft whites, creams, and pastels fits perfectly. Layer cozy textiles and patterns, mixed ruffled pillows, floral print cushions, and crocheted throws on sofas and beds. Layer rugs, Persian style carpets, or hand-woven rugs for added warmth. Use warm, soft lighting. Table lamps with plated or less trimmed shades create a cozy glow. Candles in vintage holders, oil lamps or stained glass lamps add ambience. Add personal and sentimental touches. Decorate with old family photos in vintage frames. Display handwritten receipt cards, antique books, or vintage letters in a creative way. Incorporate vintage accessories and collectibles. For cycling figurines, old clocks, and decorative tins fit the aesthetic. Display vintage sewing kits, perfume bottles, or antique jewelry boxes. Use old suitcases or wooden crates and decorative storage. I think these tips help you. Thank you so much for watching the video.